Hello to you, my name is Max and I want to show you how you can buy Bitcoins using localbitcoins.com. If you are new to this site, what you want to first do is sign up for free by clicking the link up on the top right side. When you click it, it will ask you for your personal information and you then click register, after which you'll get an email in your inbox that you need to first confirm and then tell Local Bitcoins that you are a real human and you are indeed the one who entered your details on this site. And after you confirm your account, you can then be able to come here on the top right and click the login link. And this is what you might get. It's saying checking your browser before accessing Local Bitcoins. So for me, it's doing that because I've activated the functionality that allows me to be able to confirm that I'm the one who is accessing this account using the browser that I'm currently using. So to log in, you can put in your username, your password, and you log in. Because I already have an account, I'm logged into the system. When you log in, now this is what you will see on the top right. Say I want to buy Bitcoins in South Africa. What I will do, I will check this box here. I want to buy Bitcoins. The city, I typed in South Africa. You can also type in United States or United Kingdom, wherever you are in the world. And what's important also is the currency that you are going to use. I'm using ZAR in South Africa. There are many other currencies you can choose from. And finally, you need to choose the payment method. I prefer the transfer with specific banks, but if you have a MoneyGram account, you can use that. Western Union, you can do that. And then you can click search. So I already searched. After searching, these are the results that will appear. Here is the seller column, where it will list the name of the sellers, and in bracket here is the volume of transactions that they've done, and this will be their ratings. The payment method, it will mean the seller can do transfers with specific banks, and they actually do transfers with FNB, Absa, and Nedbank. But let's say your bank is not listed here. Perhaps you can also check another seller, and you can see this one here is also doing Capitec. And this is the price of the Bitcoin in ZAR at the moment that we are trying to buy. And another important thing to look at is the limits. 5,000 to 150,000 ZAR. So this person has got a large stock of Bitcoins available for me to buy. If you want more than this, you will scroll down and see. And this is a show more button. When you click it, you can say show all in South African rands. Then it will give you more sellers. You see this one, Clockwork Chico, was not there, but now it's there. And this one is doing MoneyGram, and it's actually cheaper. Okay. So let's say we want to buy with FNB. What's important here, you need to choose somebody who is doing transactions with the bank that you are using. Because if you're using FNB and you're transferring or depositing into Absa account, it might cause delays of up to 48 hours, and you don't want that. You want instant release of your Bitcoins. So what we want to do, we want to say buy. So when you click buy, this is the seller's details, located in Sandton. This is important if you also want to make cash deposit, or if you want to buy on cash. On the right here, there's terms of trade. This person listed their terms and conditions. You need to go through them. And then basically, let's say you want to buy 1 Bitcoin. You put 1, and then you click anywhere outside there. Then it will show you how much 1 Bitcoin cost in South African rands. If you have anything that you want to ask the seller, you can write in the right field. And basically, let's say I want to buy, say hi, I'm using FNB, please give me your details. Alright, and then you click send trade request. So this is if the seller didn't put their banking details here. Once you say send trade request, it will give you this page now. Here you can write a message again, you can communicate with the seller, but it's saying status, waiting for buyer to confirm payment. And then it gives you the steps you need to follow. Pay the seller, Absa, FNB, Nedbank. I want FNB, for example. And when you scroll down, here are their banking details. What's important is the reference message, the reference number. This is the number you must put when you do the bank transfer or the bank deposit. If you don't do this, the seller may not know that it's indeed you who has actually deposited the money, and you might go through a lot of hassle trying to prove yourself. And it says confirm the payment. After you make the deposit or the transfer, you come back here and you say mark payment as complete. And if I don't want to, you can cancel the trade, and you click cancel and you say yes, confirm, and it has cancelled your trade with this person. And once you do that, on here is the notification. If the seller has sent you a message, this is what you will see. And on here, that's where your Bitcoins will go once the seller releases the amount that you bought. When you click here, it will then take you to this form here. This section is where you will put the receiving Bitcoin address, the address where you want to send your Bitcoins. And this one will say the amount in Bitcoins. Say if you bought 1 Bitcoins, it will show there that you bought 1, and then you can put 1 there. On this field, I've got the 2-factor authentication code that is activated, and you can do so by going through your profile by clicking here and set it up and activate it, and then download it onto your mobile phone. And then it will show you how much is 1 Bitcoin, and then you say send from wallet. There you go. Thank you, and check out my other videos. I've got another video where I'll show you how to actually start mining using Dragon Mine, which is at this point in time the most secure Bitcoin mine in the world. Ciao ciao.